Hello everyone, welcome from Frankfurt am Main, Germany to the review about the suction cup by GoPro, the original one, and the swivel mount, which can be rotated 360 degrees also from GoPro. Lifetime warranty, lifetime warranty. 40 bucks, ridiculously expensive for whatever reason. I got it on Amazon warehouse for about 18 or 20 bucks. If 40 bucks is the original price, it's way too expensive. Link is listed in the video description below, and I will tell you exactly in this video why only one of these products will stay in my camera bag. I will explain you the advantages, so as some disadvantages regarding those two products. So let's start with this one here, the content of that box. So inside that box was that well-made suction cup, which fits perfectly for all GoPro Hero cameras since the GoPro Hero 3 until the GoPro Hero 9, which I have here. And attached to it is the media mod. As you can see, there is the external microphone. And included in that suction cup package was an extension arm, several attachments like this one, some screws, and the normal action mounting screw. So let me show you very quick how that works. So you got that suction cup, which I can only recommend to use on action cameras and not on bigger ones like a Sony Alpha 7 III or Canon EOS 5D Mark IV or anything like that. And it may hold up to a speed of 240 kilometers as far as I remember. I could be wrong, so you please make sure to check that out before you use it. So here's the extension arm. I show you very quick how that works. Just slide it into the suction cup itself. Take one of these screws, put it into this extension arm. Take this part here, mount on top. Make sure you not attach it too stiff, because now you can still move it. And that will hold once you pull that, once you tighten that screw. So you can't move that anymore once you have tightened that one. So that is good. At the top, you can attach that rail using the other big screw. I'll show you very quick how that works. Make sure you find that hole. Put that screw into the slide, into the rail here. Now that works. Use this part, pull it tight. And now if you have a GoPro Hero 3, 4, 5, 6 or 7, make sure you take this slider, slide it into that rail, and then you can attach the GoPro at this slide here. Since I'm using a GoPro Hero 9, which has already the mounting for the rail here attached to the housing itself, and that started from the GoPro Hero 8, you can now attach the camera directly onto that slider and put it in here. Let me do that very quick for you. So that will work if I take the camera, slide it in, and I will show you now some downsides. So if I lose that screw a little bit, of course I can make use of that arm here and this arm here. I can also take the GoPro into this direction and this direction, but that's all. So you can't really rotate the camera. Let me show you something else very quick. I will lose that action mounting screw here, because you can also detach the extension arm from here. Get the screw out and only attach, for instance, this part here. Take the screw, attach it to that little part down here. Screw tight. And then, if that works out for you, it's fine. For instance, that would perfectly fit on top of your car. If you would like to film yourself, for instance, if you have a cool car like a Ford Mustang or anything like that, or BMW, make sure that you press that, suck it onto your car, and that would fit as well, which is pretty cool. Or at the top of your window from your car, for instance, if you would like to use your GoPro as a dash cam, nice. And now I come to the downside, because you can't rotate the camera in any direction. That doesn't work with neither of these articles, which was included in the suction cup here. So then I came to the idea to buy that swivel mount for 20 bucks in or an Amazon warehouse. And with that one, I had the idea to slide it on top of this rail here, which is fine. Take the GoPro, attach it to the slide. Okay, and now I came to the idea, wow, now I can rotate it 360 degrees, which isn't a problem. However, that is really stiff, but it's so little in movement. There's like nothing. I can do this and this. Wow. And that's for, I don't know, a regular price of 40 bucks. Well, in my point of view, that's way too expensive. So this swivel mount will definitely go back on Amazon. I'm very sorry for that. So I take that out, because the movement you get out of this swivel mount is not sufficient for the work I was planning on using it. However, the build quality is fine, sure, but as you can see, the movement is so little that I can't really use it. So now I came to the idea just to give you the solution for all of that. For 15 bucks, I found this little guy here. Also on Amazon. The link is listed in the video description below. And that is one of the best products for this suction cup, because you can attach it. And by the way, that's out of metal or aluminum. It's a really good build quality. So attach it to the suction cup. If you really want to screw it tight, you have this tool, which came with that ball head, which you can use to make that screw really tight. And now I can attach the GoPro, including the media mod, to that ball head. The screw, this one here, was included as well, by the way. It's also made of metal. And guess what? If you attach now the suction cup onto the front window of your car or onto your airplane, you can rotate the camera 360 degrees. So basically in any direction. You can tilt it upwards, downwards, as you like it. You can basically use any angle you want now. You can attach it also to the side window of your car to film yourself, and the build quality is just great. If you found the correct angle, just use that screw, pull it tight, and the camera will hold as you like it. This tool, 15 bucks in comparison to this one here, to a regular price of 40 bucks. This is insane. Don't buy that one. Get this one. Link is listed in the video description below. So if you have any further questions, please make sure to leave a comment below. All the best from Frankfurt am Main, Germany. See you very soon und bis bald. Tschüss.